Okay, to deploy the barrier, the key, generally located on the top. Open the door, there's no need to access the internal panel. The panel should be in auto at all times, except for obviously testing, which we're going to do. We rotate the knob to close and press alarm mute. This will count down, 3, 2, 1. The barrier will deploy. The barrier will stay in this position until it's taken out of test mode. As a general rule, turn the switch back to auto, this position. Nothing will happen until this red button, barrier reset, is pressed. Once that is pressed, the PLC will count down and the barrier will reopen. Okay, once the barrier has opened, ensure switch is in auto, lock the panel, complete.